So, I don't know if you can hear me, but welcome to Margate Meltdown 2024. And the first thing I'm going to show you is this absolutely amazing rat bike. It's fucking nuts.
Mate, that was sitting up for a year and a half. Time I've got it back.
Look at the side. And the fucking blade, welded in like, but it's fucking amazing. This is how you fill up bikes. Extend it across all three. Fuck using separate pumps.
3 bikes, 25 quid.
It's cheaper than my fucking car, that's not even a quarter of a tank. Let me wheel like fucking where. Yeah. Yeah, I suppose it's stopping at the air now. The ATVs are leaving. Yeah. What? That ain't Barnsley. I don't know if Barnsley's already gone. Right. Yeah, cool. We're ready. Is it? Never realised it's on. Right, let's looking good. Letting us go. This guy, he bought his bike from Chichester. Jesus Christ! That's got a face full of fucking spores. This is mine's got nothing on these. Nah, I feel embarrassed to be next to them. Nah. Sounds fucking done it. Can we just... What is it? 1292? 790 sounds fucking evil. I don't know, I'm doing baby revs next to him. Baby revs. Oh, mine's on 100 degrees. I'm going to turn my fucking fan on. It's on 100 degrees. 101, it's going out. Is that on or off? I don't know which one's on or off. My bike's going to fucking explode at 100 degrees. Hold on, Fred, I need to be right. Camera time. Leading. In it. Every single, my gears thing's still working. Wonder if there'll be anyone I know. Doubt it. The amount of cameras makes me nauseous. The amount of cameras makes me nauseous. So many people. So many bikes actually. Nice bikes too. Apart from that Suzuki. That's gay. Yeah. Kawasaki's on the right, Ninjas, ZXs. Probably right at the fucking top as normal. Fucking drag controls on. Alright, you get it, you're loud. That R6 over there. I think mine's on because my bike's pulled down to 94 now. We never get here early enough to park down the bottom. Yeah. What the fuck? It's basically saying there's more parking up here. Where are you going to park there? Looking for Simon's rat bike. Where do you think it is? Okay, I'm just going to park here on the left. Get on me old tippy toes. Oh, I thought there's no point having such a fucking huge gap. Come over here, yours is lighter. I don't know how far back I am. Oh, fuck it, I'm leaving it here.